Hi, this is Sameh from Apify. Today, I want to show you how you, as an e-commerce entrepreneur, can use the Apify MCP server with Cursor to create some cool automations for go-to-market strategies. All right, so let's start. What will we be doing today? Well, we're going to do a market entry GTM intelligence for e-commerce. So imagine you want to launch your beauty brand in a competitive market, such as the UAE, for example. In many cases, you need to find the key influencers in those markets, and you need to actually benchmark your product against existing products in that market. So this is exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to be using the Apify MCP server and use one-click install inside Cursor to do this. So first step, we'll set up our MCP server, and I'll show you how to do that via mcp.apify.com. We're going to, of course, use it with one click on Cursor. Then we're going to activate plan mode inside Cursor, give it the prompt that we need, use the plan mode. It's going to ask us some follow-up questions. Then we're going to use the TikTok hashtag actor to actually find the influencers in our key market. And then in the final step, we will use the RAG browser plus this cool tool called e-commerce competitor or e-commerce scraping tool at Apify to actually benchmark for the pricing. So we're going to do this, and it's going to take us 5 minutes, and it's going to give us basically a GTM strategy for entering that market. And of course, then we can use the outputs of this to actually create it inside a presentation or even an interactive website. All right, so let's start. So first thing that we're going to do, of course, is we're going to go to mcp.apify.com. And over here, I'm going to add the tools that I need. So in this case, I will choose the TikTok hashtag research scraper, right? Because I'm looking for people who are posting on a particular, let's say, cosmetics product. And then I'm going to add our e-commerce tool. So I got the e-commerce scraping tool, and I will save changes. And that's it. I've actually created an MCP server. Now I need to use it. And with the one-click install for Cursor, it is seamless. So I just go down here and I click on where it says integrations Cursor, and we just do the one click. It will automatically open in Cursor, and it will show you the screen. All you have to do is actually install. I've actually already installed it here, and then you can actually enable it. But the first time you do install it, you will need to authenticate. So you can probably just click on connect here. It will take you to the connecting screen like this, and basically you will authenticate with your own Apify account. All right, that's really great. Now we have the tools, of course. There are the 9 tools that are triggered here, and you can see the Clockwork TikTok scraper, plus our handy e-commerce tool. So in Cursor, the best way is to actually start a new project. So that's what I will do. I will just go to my user over here, and I will start a new project. Let me call it market research. All right. Oh, it's already taken. So let me cosmetics research UAE. All right. Now let me open this into Cursor, and here we go. All right. Obviously it's empty. So I have a prompt here, which I'm going to use. So I'm a cosmetic brand. I want to launch in the UAE. So I'm going to use the Apify MCP. It's called e-commerce using TikTok to identify top influencers discussing cosmetics in the UAE, identify the products they're talking about, and then extract competitor product URLs and pricing using the RAG browser and the e-commerce scraper from Apify. I'm going to put this into plan mode. I'll choose Opus 4 just to get some better results, and off it goes. And so now it should actually ask me some follow-up questions to my query, right? Now you can see all of the thinking that it's doing. Okay, so first question is asking me what type of cosmetic products I need. So let me go and do skincare. Skincare is always going to be, I think, the highest margin product. All right, and which e-commerce should I analyze for competitor pricing? And please all major platforms, right? So off it goes. So basically the tools that we gave it, now it's going to create a plan for us to actually create this research. So now it has the plan, a specific plan on what it should do. So first, phase 1, of course, is to actually look for the actual hashtags that are related to this. Extract the data. In the phase 2, it's going to identify the products. All right, so first thing that it's going to do is run the TikTok scraper. So I'm going to build this, and you can see now that it will start to call on the TikTok scraper. All right. So it's actually running the TikTok scraper. And of course, you can check the status of it by going to your Apify console. Let me just go here. You can see the actors are running. This is the run that's triggered by the MCP server. You can see already lightning fast 250 results that it actually created, and looks like it stopped already. And here you can see all of the actual influencer discovery that it's doing. Let's go back. All right. So it's obviously thinking about all the data that it just received. So it got 250 TikTok videos from the UAE. And of course, by the way, other than benchmarking your products, this is a great influencer discovery tool. So if you need to know which of the influencers you need to reach out, this is another great use case for it. All right. Now it's thinking about all the data that it gathered. So now what it basically will do is will identify the key products that are trending in that market. And you can see over here that it's actually classifying those influencers and how much influence they actually have in the local market. This is great. So this type of activity would have taken you maybe weeks to do, but obviously now with the Apify MCP, using the 10,000 tools that we have, plus with the one-click install inside Cursor, this operation is simply seamless. All right, so it's doing a lot of data right now. So I will be back in a few minutes. All right, I am back. So it actually started to use the e-commerce scraper here. You can see it started to extract all the products that were actually mentioned in TikTok. Plus, it used the RAG browser to do that. It now is triangulating all this information. So it's creating a new CSV file with all the products that are mentioned, including their pricing. So you can see here all the pricing. And if you look over here, you have this complex CSV file with the exact pricing for the products themselves, including the links on Amazon.ae, for example. So this is a great way to actually identify at which price point you can sell your new product. All right, so it's creating another basically CSV for Noon. So Noon is a very popular e-commerce platform in the region. So this way will actually give you a comparative analysis of all of these. And now it's doing a market research report. That's great. But what I also can do, for example, is take this market research report and create a cool interactive presentation, and please deploy on my local drive. So of course you can create a cool website presentation for whatever. Maybe you have some partners or possible investors that you need to show this to. So it's actually being quite granular. So I can go ahead and pop that. All right. So it queued that request. And obviously here you can see that it's actually working on this very nice market research report. It's really based on actual TikTok data and actual e-commerce scraping. So it's very granular. It's very right. This is really great stuff here. All right. So it's thinking about how to create this, and it will basically take all this data that it has and create a cool interactive presentation. And that's exactly what it's doing. And it will obviously deploy it on my local drive, and then you can, of course, deploy on Netfly or Versal or whatever other service that you have. So we'll take a few seconds and it will finish right now. While it's doing that, we can actually look at the analysis that it did. Over here, you could see all the analysis that it did: TikTok influencers analysis, product and brand trends, use the e-commerce competitive pricing analysis. It was able to identify all of the top influencers in that market who are talking about skincare, for example. It found the high engagement micro influencers in the market with the right number of followers. It talked about the content teams and hashtags. So this is quite important for drafting a social media strategy. All the trends that are happening in the current market, of course, based on the actual data that's coming from TikTok. And you can triangulate this also, let's say, with Instagram, some of the actual ingredients. So it actually dug deep into those posts and find exactly what are the top kind of ingredients that those influencers are talking about. And then, of course, it did the e-commerce competitor pricing analysis for those brands in the current market. So this will give you a comprehensive, an oversight of how you can actually position your product in the different marketplaces that are there. It even recommended, of course, a pricing strategy and product development. Of course, a lot of people might do this kind of exercise with, let's say, deep research using ChatGPT or Claude. But I think the large differentiator here is that you have really contextual data that you're using. So the contextual data that is based on the actual TikTok posts that are coming out. So over here, we have an amazing website that it created with the top influencers that you can actually engage with. We have, of course, the overall macros that we need to look at, the market trends, and this is an excellent piece of basic data that you can use for your investors or for your partners or for your own strategy. So that's it. We're excited to see what you can do with the Apify MCP and the one-click install from Cursor.